What I've always told people about chiropractic care is that I've always told people it's not rocket science. The better your body functions, the better you function. The simple job of a chiropractor is to simply get your body to function better by relieving any nerve interference. And I don't think that's what a lot of people understand about chiropractic care. If they hear chiropractic care, they naturally assume that we just take care of back pain. Well, we take care of the whole body because our goal is just to get your body to function a little bit better. And by doing that, everything will work better. We see a lot of children in this office because if we can keep that spine healthy from when a child is young, they're going to have a healthy spine when they're adults. On a daily basis, I hear some great results that we've gotten here with some of our patients. But let me have a couple of my own patients tell you what we've done for them here at McCauley Chiropractic.
I've had back problems and knee problems for quite a long time, and I felt that the chiropractic sessions really helped with that. I do feel healthier, I can breathe better, my back isn't as achy, and it's just been a great experience all around.
My name is Mike Plez. I've been coming to Dr. McCauley for about 5 years now, and I've never felt better. There's many chiropractors in this industry, and Dr. McCauley is very, very good with myself, my family, and with my shoulder pain, back pain, sciatic. It's just amazing what he's done for me.
Not only at McCauley Chiropractic do we offer traditional chiropractic care, we also have 2 massage therapists. We have a naturopathic doctor, and we also have the ability to take on-site x-rays. We're located right in downtown Rochester. If you've never tried chiropractic care before, I invite you to come down, see what we can do for you. We get great results, but the only way you're going to get those great results is if you show up and let us see what we can do for you.